In the box. Mini DisplayPort to VGA adapter, 5-pack. Convenient. Connects a Mini DisplayPort compatible computer to an HDTV, monitor, or projector with VGA input. Video only. Transmits video from computer or tablet to monitor display. VGA does not transmit audio. Supports video resolutions up to 1920 by 1200 and 1080p, Full HD. Device compatibility. Works with both Apple devices and PCs with a Mini DisplayPort. Note: this product does not support the Thunderbolt 3 standard and is not compatible with the following device models: MacBook Pro, 2016 or later, MacBook Air, 2018 or later, iMac, 2017 or later, iMac Pro, all models, Mac Mini, 2018 or later, Mac Pro, 2019 or later, iPads and iPhones. Top reviews from the United States. Great for older MacBook Air. I've had a really hard time finding a VGA cord that worked for my older MacBook Air, purchased in 2015. This one works seamlessly. Didn't need to install anything, just plug in and go. Does its job well, very durable. I had a cheap multi-port one at the start of the pandemic, but it stopped working after a little while. This Amazon one connects right away and still works really well. It's portable and works on my Surface and MacBook Air very well. Makes dual monitors super easy. Also, the white color does not get yellow or fade like many other cables. The cable is thick but still bendable. So far, it has not frayed and look brand new.